So again, welcome students. Now I am going to give the solution of the question number 3 of the exercise 8.3. Question is given: Fabina borrowed rupees 12,500 at 12% per annum for 3 years at simple interest, and Radha borrowed the same amount for the same time period at 10% per annum compounded annually. Who paid more interest and by how much? So here two persons are there, Fabina and Radha. Both are going to borrow the same amount and for the same time period. The interest is differ and the type of interest is also differ. One is going to give pay in simple interest and second is going to be paying the compound. So I am going to follow the difference between both. So here I am going to give the solution. So for Fabina, here I am going to calculate for the Fabina. Fabina is going to borrow rupees 12,500. It means for Fabina P equal to rupees 12,500. Rate R equal to 12% per annum and time N equal to 3 years. So these things are given here in the question. Now you need to find simple interest. Reason is that Fabina is going to pay simple interest. So here you will apply the formula for the simple interest. So here simple interest formula equal to P into R into T upon 100. Here in the formula of the simple interest, P is used for the time period, and in the compound interest, N is used for the time period. So both are same. So here in the formula T is there. So here I am going to write T. In the compound interest, the same time period is going to be represented by N. So here it is the variable, so I have taken T for 3 years. Now simple interest equal to P 12,500 into rate is 12, time is 3 upon 100. That 2 0 are going to be cancelled. Then simple interest equal to, if you are going to multiply 125 into 12, 12 5 is 60, 12 2 is 24 and 6 30, 12 1 is 12 and 3 15 into 3. That is equal to 4,500. So simple interest will be 4,500 or 4,500. It means Fabina is going to pay simple interest, that is 4,500 or 4,500. Now I am going to calculate for the Radha. Radha is going to borrow the same money. So here I am going to get it for Radha. Principal amount that will be same, 12,500. So it is rupees 12,500. Rate percent, in the case of Radha, rate percent is 10%. So that is 10%. And time, that is same. Here it is given that for the same time period. So N equal to 3 years. So both are same. In the formula T is written. So here T equal to 3 years. Here in the formula of the amount for the compound interest, there it is used N. So I have written N equal to 3 years. Now you will write the formula A equal to P 1 plus R upon 100 to the power N. Now I am going to calculate it here. A equal to P, that is 12,500 into 1 plus R 10 upon 100 to the power N, that is 3. Now here 0 0 will be cancelled. So A equal to 12,500 into, it will be 10 1 is 10 1, 11 upon 10 to the power 3. Yeah, A equal to 12,500 at power 3 is there, so it will be multiplied 3 times. So 11 upon 10 into 11 upon 10 into 11 upon 10. So here these two 0 will be cancelled. Now you need to multiply it and you will put the decimal after one place. Here 10 is there. So A equal to 125 into 11 into 11 into 11 upon 10. So kindly multiply this and it will be divided by 10. So multiply that. I am also going to multiply on the rough. Then I will write that what is the multiplication of this. So you also need to multiply. So students, I got the multiplication of the numerator, that is equal to 166,375 upon, that will be 10. AIT is equal to rupees, and if you are going to write it, it will be 0.50. So 16,637.50, that is the amount. Then compound interest equal to A minus B. AIT is equal to 16,637.50 minus, and it was 12,500. That is 12,500. So if you are going to subtract, it will be 0.50. It will be 7, 3, 6 minus 5, that is 1, 6 minus 4, that is 2. So 4,137.50, that is the compound interest. It means the interest paid by Radha equal to 4,137.50 and the interest paid by Fabina equal to 4,500. So here, if you are going to compare both the interest, you can get that Radha is going to pay more interest. So here it is the question, it is asked who pay more interest and by how much. So here you will write Radha pay more interest by, and by how much is it going to, yes, is going to pay more, that you will get. Sorry, here 4,137 it is and 4,500. So here Fabina will pay more. Reason is that if Fabina interest is more, so here you will write Fabina. Here I have written rather, but it will be Fabina. So here it will be Fabina pay more interest by, and by how much, that will be by 4,500 minus 4,137.50. So that you need to find by how much. So it is equal to, if you are going to subtract, it will be 0.50, and here 3, and here it is 6, and 4 minus 1, 3. So that will be rupees 363.50. It means she is going to pay rupees 363.5 more. So that is the solution of this question. Now students, here if you are going to subtract, it will be 362.50, that you need to make the correction. If you are going to subtract here, that will be given the one carry here, so that's why here it will be 362.50. So it means Fabina will pay more interest by rupees 362.50. So here 2 will be there. So that is the correct answer of the question. After subtraction you will get this value.